Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you unboxing of mini portable amplifier. There is portable amplifier. There is key specification of this amplifier. You can see this. Now let's open this. When there is mini amplifier, portable Bluetooth speaker. Then there is on-off switch button for charging 5-volt input, and there is memory card and USB option are available.
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Friend, for testing I am using non-copyright sound. I am using NCS sound. There is NCS sound. Friend, there is data cable for charging purpose. Friend, you can see the charging indicator. So friends, that's all about this mini Bluetooth amplifier unboxing. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.